one girl is skating, and this is the Hexagon Tower that they're playing hockey. This is the Pentagon Tower that nobody's in there. I'm going to show you how to do a skateboard park. Here, this is how you do, friends. You can buy one of the skateboard and do a stunt back in your bike park. Oops. Okay, it's this way. I jumped on a domino. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got it in a turkey. Oh yeah, I got it in my turkey. Oh yeah, I got it in my turkey. Oh yeah, I'm getting in a bike park. Oh yeah,